know, I'm still fucking shocked that I own a fucking Road Glide Special. A 2020 Road Glide Special. Like 5 years ago, I never would have thought I'd be on a Harley. Now, I got a fucking Road Glide Special. I've got two Harleys. This is actually my third, but I currently have two. And I got a Road Glide Special with a 114. And I am on my way someplace special. Turn the music down. I am on my way someplace very, very special. Because I got a phone call earlier. I work for that company over there. I got a phone call earlier. That's why I'm going someplace special. My 131 kit just came in. So I'm dropping off the bike that I'm potentially naming Giggle Switch. Because right then it doesn't give me any giggles. It would have given me giggles 2 weeks ago, but I rode a live wire and now it doesn't give me giggles. So we're putting a 131 bit kit into this bitch. And if it does anything like I suspect it will do, the bike's getting a new name of Giggle Switch. Because if you've ridden anything with fucking power, God, you understand the Giggle Switch. You very much understand that. So, anyway, that's what we're doing. We're putting power into my Road Glide. We're putting power into my Road Glide. Yep. Oh, I'm so excited. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I would have chewed that dude for lunch. I'm stock. Anyway. Hey, slow down, Turbo. Fucking old man. I'll be you one day, but not right now, so I'm gonna give you shit. Do 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 do.